I'm at Disney's Contemporary Resort to check out the Bay Lake Tower, so how about you and I dive right in. Upon entering, look at this beautiful piece of art showcasing the Cinderella Castle in multiple different colors. And there's another one on this side too, but let's step inside the lobby. And look at this. This is the lobby for the DVC Tower. It's really nice. I love the contemporary style. Oh wow, I actually really love these chairs. Working our way out towards the pool. Look at this fountain that they got going on here. It's very modern. That is going to be the reoccurring theme here at Bay Lake Tower. I mean, it is part of the contemporary resort, so everything's gonna be ultra modern. Here's a list of the recreation activities. They got cabanas, movie under the stars, Olympiad Fitness Center, fishing cruises, running trails, community hall, mobile order Contempo Cafe, and the Wave Lounge. These are very interesting. It kind of reminds me of Living with the Land when you go through the greenhouse with all the plants in it. And this is what the pool looks like. And look at that awesome water slide. You bet we're gonna be going down it. Now what's great about this pool deck is only the DVC members that have access to the Bay Lake Towers can have access to this pool. So if you're staying at the Contemporary Resort, you cannot come over here. So it is pretty nice if you're staying in this area. This is like a more secluded private area. And you also do have access though, if you're staying on this side, to the Contemporary pool. You can bounce back and forth. The only people that just can't come over here are the ones that are staying at Contemporary only. All right, we've made it to the top of the tower. And we're kind of nervous because it's a little cold out here. Yeah, it's a little chilly. Yeah, it's a little chilly, but it's okay. The water's, see, it's great.
Okay, look, it's green light. Go.
Oh no, I don't want to go. Hold on. That hurt. I can feel the slide. I can feel it. I'm actually not going that fast. I'm just kind of sitting up. All right, here we go. I'm slowing down. I'm going so fast. Okay, how'd you go that fast?
I just had my heels down.
Oh, I might say you like launched yourself.
No, I just had my heels down the whole time.
Oh. It's cool walking back from the pool because this tower just towers right over you. It's really cool. Oh wow, I just noticed that on this fountain they have a list of all these different families. Now I wonder if it's similar to what they did at Disneyland Resort with the paver stones. And they just kind of put all these different families here in the fountain. Oh, it says right here, discerning Disney insiders know that Tempo Bay was the original working name for Disney's Contemporary Resort, which opened with the park in 1971. As Disney Vacation Club members are the ultimate Disney insiders, Tempo Fountain is dedicated to the first member families to call Bay Lake Tower home. May it serve as an enduring symbol of a landmark resort that, like Walt Disney himself, has one foot in the past and one in the future. Oh, well, how cool is that? Shout out to all the families that are permanently in this fountain. Working our way towards our room, look at how they designed this. The door is really nice, and they got the room number embedded on this steel panel right here. That's really cool. Oh, it's actually not steel, it's aluminum. And here's our room. Upon entering, first thing we're welcomed with is, of course, an abstract painting / drawing of Mickey Mouse, the boss man. And immediately to your right is your first bathroom. This is, oh, hello. We gotta do that in every hotel. Hello. We got a sink right here. It's a nice little quaint sink, turlet. And we have a shower. This is tall people friendly. I love how the shower head's up a little higher. Tile work is very nice and modern. Got a little handle there just in case things get a little too crazy. And of course, Disney also includes all of the complimentary shampoo, conditioner, lotion, soap, you name it, they have it. And of course, there's that hair dryer tucked away down there. This is nice, an in-room washer and dryer. This is another stackable one. And they also include some laundry detergent for you, so that is very nice. Again, you don't need to go to the store and buy any of that. That's saving you some money, because these rooms are not cheap. Alrighty, and here's the kitchen. Look at how nice this is. We have the island in the center there. It's a great place to serve up some grub or have a nice drink. And then we have the full fridge. We have a sink in the middle, coffee maker. This is a big coffee maker. We have a toaster, complimentary paper towels, a full oven, and I really love this. Oh, don't forget the dishwasher, but I really love this. This is like a giant like cabinet, but it's like hidden within the wall there. So you can buy some cereal, some spices, whatever you need if you want to cook here inside your room. And if you are going to cook inside your room, Disney also supplies a lot of plates and bowls, cups, wine glasses, some stuff to serve in. So they have quite a few things. And again, you don't need to go to the store to pick anything up. They already have it right here in the room. And look at this, plenty of utensils are available for you as well. And look at that, even a can opener. Turning around towards the dining space, we have the lovely Space Mountain artwork on the wall there. A nice modern table with some modern lighting. You see the reoccurring theme, the modern contemporary, you know, since we're at the contemporary resort. But yeah, this is a nice little dining space. Plenty of room for the whole family. I mean, you can easily fit like 5 or 6 people right there. This is a nice little area to sit and chill. This is also a pull-out sleeper bed. It is a queen size mattress. Oh, look at this, another chair fit for a king. And talk about a great view, look at this. We have a view of Grand Floridian, Bay Lake, the Contemporary Tower, and of course, there she is right there, Cinderella Castle. A great view of Magic Kingdom. Alrighty, this is the master bedroom. King size bed, fit for a king. So you have 2 options. You got the chair or you got the bed. Some more beautiful modern artwork. We have plenty of lighting and storage on either end there. We have plugs on either end for you to plug your electronic devices. We have a nice sized TV. And of course, storage down there at the bottom. You want to put some clothes down there, hang stuff up in the closet on the far end over there. There's also a safe in that room as well. Alrighty, and here's the bathroom. Hello, hello again. Now this is really cool. Not only do we have our lovely sink here and we have our tub, but look at this. You can open up these barn doors here and you have a nice view right out towards the Grand Floridian. Katie's enjoying that view right now. How neat is that? I've never seen this before in a hotel. This is the first time I've ever seen that. So shout out to the designers that decided, you know, let's throw that in there. That is so cool. You can also close them if you want some privacy, but if not, you're more than welcome to open them up. And then in here we have a nice size shower. We have the rain shower head on the top there, and we also have a double shower head. So that's cool. You can switch between the both. Most people are probably going to choose from the rain one up top. And of course, they give you some complimentary shampoo and conditioner. There's the toilet. And plenty of towels and washcloths. Totally recommend this hotel. If you guys are saving up for a Walt Disney World resort, save up for this one. Just like Animal Kingdom Lodge, this one offers something that is special, and it's honestly this view out to the park is gorgeous. And if you could snag a theme park view, you won't be disappointed. This is something else. And of course, the design aesthetic in the room is nice too. I really love modern contemporary design. I always told myself, when I get a house one day, that's what the house is gonna look like. So I really appreciate the design throughout this. And I think so far, out of all the hotels that I've stayed in, this particular room here at the Contemporary is one of my favorites. And also, this was a gift to Katie and Spencer, so huge shout out to Katie and Spencer's friend for hooking us up in this room. Man, this is amazing. Yeah, I can definitely stay here all the time. I mean, obviously it's expensive, so I wouldn't be here all the time. But yeah, you know, I'm gonna make it a goal to come back here again. I would love to come back here again because the room is just so nice. It's honestly like peaceful too, because you can overlook Bay Lake out to the Grand Floridian, out to Magic Kingdom, and you know it's really cool. It's nice to be here. I don't know. There's just something about the Contemporary. Well, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. And if you're new to the channel and you love theme park content, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll stay up to date on every time I post new videos. I have an Instagram account. I'll leave that link down below in the description, as well as a huge shout out to my Buy Me a Coffee supporters. You guys are absolutely amazing and I appreciate it so much. It was a great time here at the Contemporary Resort, the Bay Lake Towers. Totally recommend this place. This is a beautiful hotel, and if you love that modern contemporary design, you're gonna absolutely love and adore these villas here in Bay Lake Tower. But other than that, I hope you have a beautiful day, morning, evening, whatever it is, and I'll see you next time in the parks. Bye.